Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the range function. Okay, so this function is pretty cool. It's one of my favorite functions in Python. It has changed a little bit from the Python 2 to Python 3. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about this, but let's just uh, think about how the range function works. So let's create an object which will be equal to a function. For example, t, which will be equal to range, which is the name of the function. And let's give it some parameter. So I'm going to give 10, which is a number, which means that we're going to create 10 numbers, which starts from the 0, which is the default number. Okay, so let's close the function. Let's execute. So I'm gonna call t and I get this. Okay, so this output means that we have this function. Okay, so t is equal to this function. Okay, so I do not created something that is very useful, but if I convert this to a list, which is possible through the list function. Okay, uh, this can be used as a function, which is actually a function itself. So if you pass this t object through this list function, we're gonna get this output. Okay, so we just created a list with 10 numbers. It started from 0 to 9, which would be equal to 10 numbers. Okay, so that's how you could use the range function to generate numbers. So let's generate a list of numbers. Okay, for example, I'm going to generate numbers started from -20, and the stop will be 20, and the step will be 5. Okay, so let's do this. Let's call list, and let's pass the t in this function, and we're gonna see this output. Okay, minus 20, minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, and 15. So that's how you could use this function to generate numbers, but we're gonna use this function later on. So I just showed you guys this function so you could get familiar with the idea of this function. Okay, so thanks for watching the videos and see you guys next time.